Hello everyone, welcome back to Dr. Wayne Dyer's 101 Ways to Transform Your Life. Here on this little series, we are in part 57, Principle 57, which once again is another one of those principles about silence. Now, as we know already, when you have 101 principles and you have a pretty basic philosophy of how to live your life, not basic as in bad, but a pretty simple, not simplistic, but simple philosophy on how to live your life, you're going to have principles that slightly repeat themselves. But that repetition also helps teach those principles and get them internalized, particularly when you start thinking about it. Here we have another idea of silence, that we need to go to silence at certain times and really make that a part of our experience. I think this is really hard for a lot of people today because a lot of people just want to play on their phones in moments of silence. They want to immediately have something to do. They just always want to watch something, do stuff. And that's why this generation is working harder than anyone before, just mentally. And so that kind of thing really wears people out. And so he's saying, if we take moments of silence every day just to go to our happy place, to go to our place of silence, that we can really get into that alpha brainwave, we can really get into that experience of just relaxing, chilling out, and kind of getting a lot of our energy and power back. That's at least how I would take it. I don't really think I have much more to say on this part, but that's basically part 57 for you guys. So I will see you next time with part 58. I hope this was useful, and let's talk about this kind of stuff because I love to talk about it. I hope you guys love to talk about it too. So yeah, I'll see you guys next time with part 58. Stay tuned.